Today, more businesses across Metro Detroit are considering mask requirements for their staff and their customers.
The reason is simple. Michigan's COVID cases linked to the more contagious Delta variant are on the rise. The state is reporting more than 6,300 new cases tonight. That covers a 4-day period starting Saturday, an average of almost 1,580 cases per day.
And while the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services strongly encourages masks indoors, at this point, there is not a statewide mask mandate. A decision that has left individual school districts, institutions, and businesses to decide if they should implement one on their own.
So tonight, 7 Action News reporter Simon Shaquette is going in depth to show us what one local business is doing to keep patrons safe.
And White Top health experts say it could make a huge difference.
Here in Ann Arbor, the city is known for having a wide variety of popular shops and restaurants, among them a growing number considering reinstituting tougher mask requirements for their customers. As an Ann Arbor business owner of 20 years, Tommy York of York Cafe on Packard knows his customers well. For a period of time, he recalls mask mandates being lifted and customers dining indoors freely without masks. Yet during an after-hours interview with us, he explains his recent decision to again require masks for all customers, including those vaccinated.
First and foremost, all of us working are thinking, how many people are we coming in contact with? 200, 300, 400 people in a day? What if somebody's sick? What if we get sick?
York is also not the only business in the area taking this bold step that is not required by the state. On City Council, Jen Ayer says it's an important discussion being had more and more, and a move she supports.
The only way that we are ever going to get back to normal is if we are able to stop the virus from being transmitted and from mutating.
Opponents of businesses like retail shops and restaurants requiring masks not just for workers but also for vaccinated customers point out the feeling that their freedoms are being infringed upon. We asked Beaumont Health's Director of Infectious Disease Research, Dr. Matthew Sims, for his take and about the potential for Delta and other variant rates to spike.
There's this perception that people don't want to wear masks, and there are people who don't. But there are just as many people who do. As the weather gets colder and we're all forced indoors more, we're going to see more cases as people who are not masked interact with each other. I do expect that we'll have sort of a fall surge.
Tommy says while he's even gone as far as closing eating areas inside and only allowing food to be enjoyed outdoors, the decision must be up to individual business owners. And it's not one every customer will agree with, and that's okay.
Coming across sincerely, people get it. I just keep coming back to what's our responsibility. And my responsibility is to keep everybody safe and keep building a good business and a good community.
Councilmember Ayer is also reminding everyone that the city does not have the authority to actually impose mask mandates. That type of decision can only be made by the county health department or the state of Michigan if they feel this is warranted in the interest of public health. From Ann Arbor, Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News.
Simon, thank you. And for the latest research on the effectiveness of masks and why health experts are encouraging everyone to have one on hand, head to WXYZ.com.